This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus one extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker GNS or Genius Group. So they closed at 81 cents yesterday, so they've been getting beat down really bad lately. And if you've been following my channel, some of you that have been following my channel, watching my Genius Group updates, probably not been liking what I've been posting. But I started to short this thing up here around the 150, 160 mark, and boy, that was a great short entry because they just got stomped. So I made my first short entry around that level, maybe 150, 160, and then as it made this crazy explosion higher to almost 250, I took out additional short positions, and I went max profit on everything. And this thing is just getting stomped out, and it's bleeding out, and it's rightfully so. I mean, this company, their financials are trash. They just bleed a lot of money, like a lot of newer companies and startups and stuff. I mean, we just know how it goes. Some of these companies, it can take them a decade. It can take them, even longer than that to actually turn a profit and become profitable, even if they even make it that far, right? Some of these companies go bankrupt. Look at SDC or Smile Direct Club. So, we kind of know that the financials of companies like Genius Group are trash, and we saw it in their most recent earnings, right? So you can see right here, their earnings per share for the most recent quarter, they lost 32 cents a share. So that is worse than the same quarter last year. So their sales went up a little bit from 7.44 million to 9 million. So this tiny increase in sales, but then the earnings was a huge miss and a huge move in the wrong direction. So, that's why I took short positions when this thing went on this stupid pump from like 50 cents, up to 150 to 250. I just knew it was ridiculous and it wasn't going to hold, and I knew they were going to have a fat sell-off. Now, I will note here that we do have another post here. I have a feeling like they're trying to save the stock price right now and try to put out some positive news stories, because I think the last time they put out a news story like this, they had to go out and pay somebody, and I want to say it was from Zacks, if I'm not mistaken. I think they actually went out and paid a guy from Zacks to do like a discounted cash flow analysis. And they set like a $6 valuation. So I'm not sure what this is. It's no longer $6? Like, what? They had a shitty earnings quarter and like now it's a $5 valuation. It's funny, there's nothing here. I could go out and Google this and find this, but like, what happened, guys? Because very short time ago, there was an analysis that said they were worth $6 a share. Now that's somehow come down $1. But so, I don't expect anything here from Genius Group. They had their little pump and dump. They had their little scam with their little ERL spinoff. And now, they have completely bled out, and they are tracking, they're just tracking on a path to go right back where they were before this stupid explosion and before the CEO tried to pull this pump and dump scam like Overstock did. I would not be surprised if they just continue to bleed out here with these shitty earnings quarters and come down here and hit this 50 cent mark. I'm not going to predict that because you can see sometimes they do get a little volatile and they do make some big moves, but would not be surprised at all if they just slowly bled out and came back down to this 50 cent level. Because that $5, $6, projection there by Zacks or whatever, these people that are doing this analysis, that's if they become profitable way down the road, and if they don't go belly up and go bankrupt like we see happen to a lot of these startup companies. So, not impressed again with Genius Group. Their financials are garbage. They're getting worse. They're losing more money the longer they stay in business. So if they make another big move like we see on the chart right here, I'm just going to short the hell out of them and take in a lot of money again. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker GNS or Genius Group. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.